Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not turning on problem on Android phone using 5 simple methods. With these 5 methods, you can fix any kind of Wi-Fi related problem on any Android phone or tablet with and without using a computer, and that is coming up. As you can see here, I have an Android phone with Wi-Fi not turning on problem. The problem with this phone is Wi-Fi won't turn on. See? When I try to turn it on, this happens. This thing just keeps spinning. Nothing happens. See? Alright, our first method is turning off power saver mode. What power saving or power saver mode does is it restricts some application in the background to save your phone's battery. So try to turn off power saving mode and restart your phone and see if it works. Now try to turn on your Wi-Fi. So in my case, it's still not turning on. So try this method by yourselves. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then don't worry. Just keep watching the video and I'm pretty sure one of these methods will help you fix your Android phone's Wi-Fi problem. Okay, now let me show you the second method. Our second method is resetting your phone's network settings. So go to your phone settings and search for reset. And from these options, select reset network settings. Then tap on OK and tap on reset. Okay, after that, as you can see now, mobile data is turned on after resetting the phone. So hopefully Wi-Fi will turn on too. Nope, Wi-Fi is still not turning on. Before doing the network reset, mobile data was not appearing and now it's there, which means I am one step closer to fixing this problem. Alright, now let me show you the third method. Our third method is clearing cache from your phone. Caches are junk and unwanted files that causes many problems, and one of which is Wi-Fi not turning on problem. So here's how to clear cache on an Android phone. First of all, if you have a Samsung phone, connect it to your computer. Then turn it off. When your phone is completely turned off, press and hold volume down button and power button together. Just keep press and holding these two buttons. It may take a few tries to get your phone into recovery mode. My main aim is to get the phone into recovery mode. The first time it didn't happen, so let's try once again. When you see the Samsung logo, quickly release volume down button and press and hold volume up button and power button together. After that, you will get to this page. Now, from here, use volume up and volume down key to navigate, like this, and press the power button to confirm your choice. Alright, when you get here, select the option called Wipe Cache Partition. There are two options with similar names. One is Wipe Data / Factory Reset, never selected. If you select this and click OK, it will delete everything from your phone. So don't do it. Select Wipe Cache Partition. Then press the power button to confirm. Select yes. When the cache wipe is completed, now make sure you select Reboot System now. You can disconnect your phone if you want. Then just reboot your phone. Once your phone is rebooted, now see if your problem is fixed or not. Seems like mine still not fixed. See? Alright, now let me show you the fourth method. Our fourth method is booting your phone into safe mode. In order to boot your phone into safe mode, press and hold the power button to bring up this menu. Then press and hold on power off option. Then this safe mode will appear. Just tap on it. After that, your phone will be booted into safe mode. When your phone is in safe mode, now see if your Wi-Fi is turning on or not. Mine is still not turning on, see? In your case, if your Wi-Fi is turning on in safe mode, that means there are some applications that causing the problem. So find that app and remove it from your phone. Our fifth and last method is using a software. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer with active internet connection, and after that, you need a software called Droid Kit. You can get it from the link given in the video description below. Just install the software into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing, open it up. Once open, this software offers two ways to fix your problem. The first option is System Fix and the other option is System Reinstall. You can select either one. They both do almost the same thing. So in my case, I'm gonna go with System Fix option. Then click on Start. Connect your phone to computer using your USB cable. After connecting your phone, click on OK. Next, select your phone's brand. In my case, I'm using a Samsung phone. Next, you need to put your phone into recovery mode by following these instructions. If your phone is other than Samsung, then these instructions will be different. So all you have to do is get your phone into recovery mode. If you are using a Samsung phone like me, first of all, turn off your phone. When your phone is completely turned off, press and hold volume down and power button together. Just keep press and holding these two buttons. When you see the Samsung logo, press and hold volume up and power button. After that, you will get to this page. On your computer, click next, and now you need to find PDA code of your Samsung phone. Here's how to find it. On the second line, after the last / whatever number it is, write it down. In my case, it is A107F and some random numbers and letters. Type that code in this box. In my case, this is the code. Then click on Download Firmware. This software will search internet for the firmware. If the firmware is found, then it will start downloading automatically. If no firmware is found like this, as you can see here, it says no matching firmware found. In this case, you have to download the firmware manually. So click on this link, which will open up your default browser, and it will take you to this website. Once you are here, scroll down and click on one of these links to download your firmware. After downloading the firmware, you need to add it to the software. Just click on this add button and select your firmware. In my case, this is the one. Then click open. Okay, the next step is putting your phone into download mode. So here's how to do it. First of all, disconnect your phone. If you are still in this page, just make sure you select reboot system now and press the power button to confirm. Wait for your phone to start. When your phone is started, just turn it off. When your phone is completely turned off, press and hold volume up button and volume down button together. And then connect your phone to computer using a USB cable. Just keep holding these two buttons. Then you will see this warning screen. Now all you have to do is press the volume up button. After that, your phone will get into downloading mode. And wait for the software to install the firmware on your phone. After installing the firmware, your phone will be fixed. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? For you, like and subscribe is just a matter of clicks, but for me, it means a world. So thank you so much if you do. Once the repairing process is completed, the software will give you this message. Just click on complete. While the repairing process, if you encounter any kind of problem, then you can click on support and click on quick ticket, type your email address, give information about your phone, and type your issue and click on submit. The customer service of the software will return within 24 hours. Alright, now on the other side, wait for your phone to restart. Once your phone is restarted, hopefully your phone's Wi-Fi will turn on. So let's see. Okay, now let's unlock the phone. Let's try to turn on the Wi-Fi. And yes, it's working, see? And now I can connect to any Wi-Fi. And also, now I can turn on my Bluetooth. See, now I can turn on my Bluetooth. Before, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi was not working. Now it's fixed. Before saying goodbye to you guys, there are two things that you should remember. First, the software I used in this method is not free. You have to purchase it. But even after purchasing it, if the software wasn't helpful to you, then you can ask for a refund. This software provides a 60 days money back guarantee. And secondly, you need to back up your phone. Just in case something goes wrong during the repairing process, then you will have your data safe on your computer or wherever you backed up your data. That's it. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.